Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a video review on the DR battery replacement notebook batteries. Now, I bought this for an old 2007 IBM ThinkPad. They're a 6-cell battery. I'll put links in the description below where you can get these batteries from. Very affordable, and they're a very good battery. I actually had this installed already. I'm just doing an unboxing just for you to see. It's a 1-year limited warranty, and the batteries meet or exceed OEM specifications. So I checked these batteries, and there's Sanyo batteries in here. So let's open this bad boy up. This notebook of mine, I installed Ubuntu on it, and I breathed life into a 2007 IBM ThinkPad. Just had a seamless battery in there, SSD, and she's good to go. Now I have a new computer, another computer. There she is. Like replica. Once again, Amazon links below, and the price is right on these. Excellent price point. Install this in the computer. Okay. Let's fire this up. So let's go into the battery settings. Right here. So right here is Sanyo. So that's the battery specs on my laptop. As you can see, Sanyo batteries, which means the batteries are high quality lithium ion batteries. And they actually came fully charged. So I'm really impressed with this. And the price is so reasonable. I couldn't believe it. OEM batteries are going to be over $120 for this machine. And I picked this up like for $20-some for the battery. It's a real good battery. And in the comments on Amazon's site, they said for the first charge, they got about an hour and a half battery life on the computer. Back then, these computers were not very efficient for battery life as computers nowadays. But then he said after the second charge, you have 3 hours of battery life. So, in my opinion, these batteries are probably one of the best batteries for the bang for your buck on Amazon. Buying from Amazon, you get the return policy of 30 days, no questions asked return. So that's been my review of the DR battery. In my opinion, probably one of the best batteries out there for non-OEM. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.